Blythe. Here is a list of the blithest of things that the northeast sees. The Fuch for the salmon rises, the Plaid of Balmoral's trees, the Peasy that weeps our Garlogie, the Spurgies that cheapen the Shuch, for the Sochs wave their arms in Strathbogie, for northeast folk thon's meer than a nuch. The skirl of the pipes in the Geary, the low of the Kye by Bramar, 12 lovers for tryst is made cheery by the sweet caller winds o' Cramar. The fisher that wides by the water, by Clooney, by Eithin, by Gairn, the lach o' the climbers for yatter, our stench by na hees, muckle cairn. The tourists and golfers for frolic, the settlers for new coming in. May they soon learn the rich couthie Doric, that they'll hear the brass pick o' oor kin. Thank you, folks.